Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to 2022. This is going to be the first video I'm putting out this year. I've got loads of stuff to put out, but I just haven't had the time to edit it and whatnot. I had a pretty ropey 2021, especially towards the end of the year. I spent quite a lot of my time in and out of hospital, and so it's like, but I'm on the mend now, so it's all good. Anyway, last night I went out to get milk. And I decided to take an alternative route. I'm in trouble, so I better clean this quickly. So this is the driver's side. Come around the front. It's a bit mucky. The passenger side, the roof. It's pretty grim anyway, but this was the icing on the cake. Around the back, and then back to the driver's side. So the plan today, to get this car clean, so we can take it back out and not have to worry about it getting quite as muddy, and especially with the kids getting in and out. So let's try and get you set up and then give it a blast. Let's do this. Right, there we go. That is pretty much done. So that's had a rinse, a snow foam. I've then gone over with a brand new brush if anyone's about to keel over and maybe die. That brush I used was fresh out the box, and I'll rinse it through. I'll put it over there now. Rinse it through, dry it through, make sure all the crap's out of it before I use it again, and seal it in a plastic bag. Yeah. Really pleased with how this came out. So I'm just going to move it over there now. Once it's moved, I'm going to then wait for it to dry. And I got for my birthday, I've never actually used this yet, there's a applicator sponge, and a universal wheel cleaner, which I don't need anymore, but an Eco Tire Shine King of Sheen. So I'm going to give that a try. Bear in mind my birthday was September. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. So yeah, looks really good. Really pleased with how it all looks compared to what it looked like before. I think what I'll do as well is when it's parked over here, provided it doesn't rain, I'll just go over it with a quick detail as well, just to give it that last nice little shine to the bodywork. So yeah, there we have it. Clean car. Well, I'm not great at keeping things clean. In fact, if anything, I quite like to to get things nice and dirty, especially when I get on my bike, which I haven't been able to do for a number of months now. So no, car's all clean. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave it here, and just as the intros roll out, I'm going to do a couple of clips of the finished article once it's been tyre shined and quick detailed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, as always, click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. 2022 is going to be a good year. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Put an end to that plan. Moved the car. Started raining. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.